goodness, what is
See,
all
now you
this
messed
stuff?
up. You messed up this. No study.
Sorry.
Callie,
That's okay at
what's
all.
over there?
No, Bookie, it's mine.
I think it's
You look for me.
I think it's both of yours.
But that's mine.
I think that's
What is
both of yours,
that?
too.
Oh, you just won't be nice.
What is that? Brookie, go with your sissy. Go see what's in there.
Oh, there are actually presents in there. I'll go in. Uncle Michael will go in after Brookie. Brookie. Let's go.
Brookie, follow Uncle Mike. Brookie, go follow Uncle Mike.
Ow. Whoa, you can't get out.
Barbie. Hi, Barbie.
See, there's a door on the side right here.
Hi.
What is that?
Open it. Open it.
What is it?
Open it.
Hi, Brookie. Very good, Callie.
Just a second, I gotta undo
My
them.
body says stuck.
Yeah, I gotta undo
Did
them.
you see what Santa brought you, Michael?
Okay. Someone wants to see my stocking.
Uh-oh, careful.
I'm guessing at the light camera's Dustin's.
Oh, that's,
stuck.
this is all
Oh,
Curtis's,
Curtis. Oh my god.
and that's
Yeah.
all yours.
Curry got a light camera. SpongeBob.
I need scissors to get this undone.
A boomerang.
Look at all the dollies you and Callie got.
3DS! Yes!
What'd you get?
3DS.
Oh. What's that?
It's a DS with that has 3D.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's my body.
I know.
Gotta go in the castle.
Oh, now I can play the game
Callie,
that you have.
what do you think about that castle?
And also, Sissy, it doesn't need like 3D glasses or anything.
Very cool.
Well, now I have a 3DS, so I can show you. Did you take your clothes off, Callie? Callie, one, two, three.
Callie, can you give me a big smile? Can you give me a big smile? Callie, can you give me a big smile? Hey, smile for the camera and blow
Oh, see,
kisses,
look
and I'm
at-
going to turn it off.
Me Plaza Street Pass.
Good girl.
E10.